Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you a very quick and easy recipe of Pinoy cheese cupcakes. First thing we need to do is we need to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, add half cup of butter at room temperature, half cup of white sugar or raw sugar, 4 eggs, and then mix it with a whisker or an electric hand mixer. Next, we need to add 2 cans of condensed milk, and then add 2½ cups of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of vegetable oil or canola oil, and then we need to mix well until well combined, but do not overmix. And then this time, it's time to prepare your favorite cheddar cheese. So I use the Kraft cheddar cheese. And we need to grate it as we need 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. And then we will need to fold the batter and the cheese using a spatula or a wooden spoon. And then prepare 24 pieces of muffin cups and then use 1/3 measuring cup to measure your batter. And then sprinkle the top with grated cheese. And then we will need to bake them at 175 degrees Celsius or 347 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 to 28 minutes. Here you go, but if you want your cheese toppings to be more toasted or a bit brownish, you can continue baking for another 5 minutes. There you go. So this is how easy and simple how to make your local bakery cheese cupcakes. So hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching.